I am here for another unboxing, and this one is from creekroad.net, and we're going to get right into it. It was a small order because I needed some Mardi Gras signs. So here we go. Here's the bill. You don't need that. I ordered 2 of the tinsel mesh for Mardi Gras. I ordered 2. Whoop, my main hair got all caught up in there. I ordered 2 of the 30-inch purple swags. And if anybody's looking for any Mardi Gras, you can find them in my shop at CLK Creations Designs. I do have an Etsy shop. You can find them there. I ordered 6 of the maidenhair. Isn't that beautiful? This would go for Easter also. So, even the purple, this purple will go for Easter. And then here's my signs. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I know it's close to Christmas and everybody's hustling and bustling. There's one. All of my signs I get for my swags are 10-inch. They also have an app. Here's one here. And then there's another one. And I really love this one. This one here. I really love that one. And then here's this one here. Fleur de Lis. And then now it's time for the purdy things. Is the ribbon. Now let me take, last year I bought this ribbon. And it sold out quick. So if they still have any, you might want to order it. It's a good working ribbon. It's an RG ribbon. And if you need any SKUs or anything, let me know. I also got it in the 1.5. Same thing. This is a good working ribbon. I bought this last year from them. This is a good ribbon. And then got this. Last year I just started my business and I kind of went as bought as I went along. But now I'm starting to gather up my inventory, and which is going to help for next year. So what I don't use this year will help for next year. I really like this one. I haven't used it yet, but I really like the colors of it. The way it looks. You can make picks out of this also if you wanted to. And I have this one. I guess I thought it was directional, but it ain't, so it don't really matter which way we go with it. It has the tinsel edges. Tinsel. What is wrong with me? tinsel edges. So this is what I'm going to be doing on Christmas, is making Mardi Gras. And start getting that in my shop. I got 3 in there already. So, but remember, you can use this for Easter. So don't sleep on this maidenhair. It's a really great killer. Also these, Easter 30-inch swag, creekroad.net. And then I also belong to a group. I will drop the link. It's called Double Troubles. You could go to doubletroubles.com, and it is for business tips, design tips. It's for all the things that you need in designing. I will drop the link for that, and I will tag Creek Road in the unboxing video. And I am wishing everybody a very Merry Christmas, and I hope y'all get everything that was on your wish list. And I am going to be hosting a New Year's Eve party. We'll probably start around 6-ish, New Year's Eve. And I'll have boxes open where people can come up there. You can craft, you can just talk, you can just do whatever you want. If you're bored that night, let's all be bored together, because I don't go nowhere. And we're going to make it a good time. And I'm wishing everybody a safe, happy holiday, and Merry Christmas from CLK Creations Designs. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.